Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this really nice looking iPhone 15. Ooh, there's all what we need. And it's green, baby. It's available in different colors out there. We have there so many things. Dynamic island, stay on top. If it is all. Or we can make new 48 megapixel camera. Super high resolution photos, 2-time telephoto, durable color infused glass and aluminium design. We can charge as easy as a USB-C, of course. And of course, we have different 5 colors. That means we have pink, we have yellow, we have green, like shown here, blue, and black. Then, dynamic island, for when things just pop up. The dynamic island bubbles up alerts at live activities so we don't miss them while we are doing something else. We can track our next ride, see who's calling, check our flight status, and so much more. And color through and through. Touch all around. The innovative new design features back glass that has color infused throughout the material. A custom dial-ion exchange process for the glass and an aerospace-grade aluminum enclosed help make the iPhone 15 incredibly durable. Dependably durable, that means the ceramic shield front is tougher than any smartphone glass. And we have a remarkably resistance. The phone is flash, water, and rust resistant. Water relief, really. And creating color through chemistry. Superfine metallic ions embed the color into the glass with a unique formulation for each color. Then the glass is polished with nano-crystalline particles and etched to create a texture matte finish. And this looks really beautiful and nice at the same time with these awesome colors. That's a design that feels just right. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame is highly durable and the new contoured edges feel even better in our hands. So you see a lot of stuff which comes new on the iPhone 15 today here. And the color is not only the only one thing. We have an all-new 48 megapixel main camera for breathtaking smile-making picture taking. Now the main camera shoots in super high resolution, so it's easier than ever to take stand-out photos with amazing details, from snapshots to stunning landscapes. Up to 4 times resolution to capture incredible details. 2-time telephoto is like having a third camera in it. And the all-new 48 megapixel main camera for breathtaking smile is more room to zoom. 3 optical quality zoom levels let us effortlessly frame the perfect shot from right where we are. We choose, for example, 2-time telephoto to zoom in for that perfect close-up look. Or we can go to 0.5 to capture way more of the scene with the ultra-wide camera. And we have a night mode. The night mode automatically activates in especially dark themes and now captures even richer colors and sharper details. And we have Smart HDR. When lighting is brighter or uneven, the latest Smart HDR intelligently optimized for our subject and the background. So we get gorgeous color and even more true to live skin tones. And the front camera autofocused on us. The true depth camera automatically focus on us and our friends for spectacular selfies and super sharp FaceTime calls. And the video that deserves the most views. It's take 4K HDR videos with amazing detail, color, and contrast. We use action mode to stay steady, a really shaky handheld shot without a gimbal. Or try the 4K cinematic mode to automatically shift the focus to the most important subject in the scene. All this is in our iPhone 15 and this is in our pocket. Because we have focus magical new portraits. More detail and richer color will make a dramatic difference in our portraits. And now we can tap to shift the focus between subjects even after we take the shot. Presto chango. And we want to quickly capture the moment before it's gone We no longer have to switch to portrait mode. If our subject is a person, a dog, or a cat, the iPhone 15 automatically captures the depth information. So we can choose to instantly see our photo as a portrait with an artful blur effect or later in the photo app. And this all comes in an all-day battery life for all the things we want to keep doing. 26 hours video playback on the iPhone 15 Plus, or up to 20 hours video playback on the iPhone 15. That means up to 3 additional hours of video playback compared to the iPhone 12. And the A16 Bionic chip. This is the proven powerhouse. The A16 Bionic powerhouse powers all kinds of advanced features, like computation photography used for 24 megapixel photos and next-gen portraits, voice isolation for phone calls, and most performance for graphic-intensive games, all with the incredible efficiency to great battery life. No wonder it starts as a chip, at a professional chip. And the A16 Bionic GPU is up to 40% faster than the GPU in iPhone 12. And it's USB compatible. The new USB-C connector lets us charge our Mac or iPad with the same cable we used to charge the iPhone 15. We can even use the iPhone 15 to charge Apple Watch or AirPods. Bye-bye cable clutters, of course. And in emergency, the iPhone has our back. New roadside assistance via satellite. It can get us help for things like a flat tire or dead battery, even when we are off the grid. And the iPhone also has emergency SOS via satellite and crash detection. 2 vital safety features that have helped save lives until now. And in the future, ours too. And it's designed to make difference because the inclusion of the iPhone 15 has 75% recycled aluminum. And iOS 17 style it out, swap it out and over, and sticker it up. The contact poster comes with iOS 17. A name drop comes with it, and a live sticker. So many cool features are with the iOS 17. And of course, the big hardware thing behind this is the really cool Apple iPhone 15. This is a nice, good looking smartphone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!